Consider these three vectors, v1, v2, and v3, in the Euclidean inner product space R cubed. These three vectors make up an orthogonal set. We can show that by taking pairs of distinct vectors from the set and show that they all have a dot product of 0. For example, beginning with v1 dot v2. The dot product of these two vectors is found by adding the products of their corresponding entries. All of these components have denominators of 3, so all of those products are going to have denominators of 9, so I just put this whole thing over 9. As for the numerator, we would have 2 times 2, which is 4, negative 2 times 1, which is negative 2, and 1 times negative 2, which is negative 2. So the dot product is 4 minus 2 divided by 9, which is 0, thus showing that those two vectors are orthogonal. We can do the same thing with these other two pairs. Again, for v1 and v3, we have a denominator of 9, and then for the numerator, we have 2 times 1, which is 2, negative 2 times 2, which is negative 4, and 1 times 2, which is plus 2, and all of this is over 9. Thus, the dot product is 2 minus 4 plus 2 divided by 9, which is 0. So these two vectors are orthogonal. Again, we do the same thing with the last pair, v2 and v3. In the numerator, we have 2 times 1, which is 2, 1 times 2, which is 2, and negative 2 times 2, which is negative 4. So the dot product is 2 plus 2 minus 4 divided by 9, which again is 0. So all three of these distinct pairs of vectors are orthogonal. We don't have to consider swapping the order since the dot product is commutative. So every pair of distinct vectors in this set is orthogonal, and so it's an orthogonal set. You could also go a step further and look at the magnitudes of these three vectors. It turns out that they all have a length of 1. They're all unit vectors. So not only is this an orthogonal set, but it's also an orthonormal set. And since it's an orthogonal set, all of the vectors are linearly independent, and so this set actually forms a basis for R cubed, an orthonormal basis to be specific. I'll leave links in the description to my videos going over this stuff in more detail, orthogonal and orthonormal sets and bases, and be sure to check out my linear algebra course and linear algebra exercises playlists as well for more.